It's a girl. It's a girl. It's baby girl. It's a girl. What are you doing? What are you doing? No, no. Good girl. Where's your pig? 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 No. Where's your pig? Get your pig. Get your pig.
Shelby's trying to sleep again.
Get your pig. Good girl.
Dad's going to be screaming.
Oh my god. One lap?
No.
No.
You're going to your cage? You better quit. That's right.
Good girl. Good girl. Good girl. 2 laps. Good. Good girl. That's a very good girl, Phoebe. Good.
Where's she?
Where's the girl? Where's the girl? Where's that baby girl? What are you?
She saved all this up for you.
What are you doing?
Because she was nothing like this.
What? Are you, what? What?
She's not at all like this. This is her alter ego.
What? What?
She thinks the couch is a chew toy.
No. She's not chewing. She's just being good. Oh yeah.
She
It
didn't
said,
do anything at all like that.
"Are you a good girl?" She didn't sit over there by herself.
No.
You didn't sit over there by yourself. Are you tired now? Phoebe, come here.